Good morning, my ugly ass supporters. Like, nah, good morning, you beautiful motherfuckers. Damn, can y'all see me? Let me go out here. I know y'all can't really see me. Y'all can't really see me. Hold on, make sure I got everything. Oh, we good, we good, we good. Hold on. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's actually 1 o'clock. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So it's kind of the morning. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna turn y'all down now. Anyway, so today, my pants falling, my gun holding it down. Today, so I had a little issue with my car yesterday. I'm not very sure exactly 100% what it is still. I do know sometimes when I like floor my car, I'm just like messing around in it. When I get to like high RPM, sometimes it'll like stutter to go, like do 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 do. Like it sounds like two-stepping. So the only thing I really thought about came to my mind was like something with the fuel air ratio or some shit like that. Just kind of got an aftermarket intake on it. I don't know. I don't think it's that. That's the only thing that really came in my head. But I know last night, when I did it, my check engine light started flashing. I was like, oh fuck, so I got scared and it stopped flashing. And it's not on permanently, or it didn't stay on permanently, it just flashed. So I looked up shit on the internet on why it would do that. So when I got home, I did check my spark plugs. I did a little compression test to where you take the spark plug wire off to see if the car will die out. It didn't do that, but I did notice in one of the spark plugs that it had a little oil inside of it. Yes, I said oil. I don't say oil. I said oil. It wasn't a lot. It was a little bit though. So I asked people on Instagram. I was like, "What do y'all think this is?" I wasn't 100% sure. I looked it up. Some people say it's the valve cover gaskets, like the seals. I said, okay, well, I guess today I'm gonna go change that and see if that's the issue in the oil being inside of it. Hopefully, I know it's not misfiring, other than misfiring from the spark plug, probably because there's oil in it. But I don't think it's misfiring to where like the piston rings are bad or some shit like that. Which is not, because it would be blowing out smoke and shit like that. I know the difference with that type of misfire because I had experience that in my old car. But today, so we're gonna go to Phil house. Well, I might go to AutoZone to go pick it up. Then we're gonna go to Phil house. Phil gonna help me put it in, just to confirm that I'm good, like putting it in type shit. You know, he got all the tools and shit, so you know I'm gonna go to his house, woo doo woo. So yeah, so that's the issue we have today. I thought I'd make a video out of it since I'm trying to stay constant on my videos. Uploading. Make sure I hit that like and sub button. I do have a reaction page I just made. It's called Jayybrax Reacts. So go tap in with that. The link will be in the bio. But other than that, I'll see y'all when I get the feels.
Yeah, they like damn Tyler got the sauce, that nigga got the flavor. Need a bad brown skin bitch, look like Jayybrax.
Alright, we made it to the Honda house. I don't know where you got these big ass, meaty ass 235 60s. Fuck, they going to SUV? But he always buying a fire, but you got a fire pit, bruh. Anyways, as y'all know, this chase car, this car is still down right now. You got some goody goods going in this. Okay, you got this junk clean a little bit, woody woo, type shit. And he's processor still, well, he might have parked his car out already. Just about everything. Brighten this up. He took the coils off. He needs some wheels, I see. It look like he got coils because he needed some. Because he sold his. Yeah, he got some stock ones on here. I can't believe he's actually parting this car out. I'm gonna see what he sold. Let me see the back seats. Oh wow. Did he sell the seats? I guess he sold the seats. Damn. He stole it. I mean, I said stole. Sold the steering wheel and all, man. God. He sold that cluster though, or radio. I should get that radio off him. It's a touchscreen with Apple Maps on it. Or CarPlay, what do you want to call it. There's some decent seats though. Pretty sure these the OEM ones. Yup, man. This man has officially part of his car out, man. Damn. Guess I probably should never close it all the way because he had it propped open. My bad, Phil, if you see this. But yeah, man, I guess it's just me and him right now. We got to hold the Honda scene down. Ah. So it was this spark plug right here that had a little oil in it. I honestly didn't get to check this one. This one was hot last night. I felt like touching it. But like I said, none of these lost compression when I took these plugs out while the car was running. That's one way y'all can figure it out if you lose the compression in one of your cylinders. So yeah, I know, like I said, it's not my head gasket because it's not overheating, it's not misfiring like that. The guy said he doesn't know when I would touch it. It looks like it's leaking oil a little bit. This is just grease. The guy said he's never changed it since he had the car, the seals, so wouldn't surprise me if the seals are old. So I don't see no leakage. I guess it's just the rings for the spark plug. We're gonna change it all out at once, so fuck it. Might as well. I'm not just gonna change out one ring. Everything's getting changed out while it's open. So it'll be a freshly valve cover. But yeah. Go ahead and take these out. It sounds a little hot. This one's clean, got no oil in it. Ain't got no oil in that. I ain't gonna be able to see, but this one, see how this one got some oil in it? Yeah. Definitely need to get that one out. Oh yeah, you can see that. Oh, that joint golden in there. Hopefully I don't need a new spark plug. Trying to see, let me see if I can burn this out. Y'all can see that. Can't get it that good, but y'all can see the goldness in there compared to this one. Yeah. Yep. Let's get this one out. This one's clean. Ain't got no oil in that one. Yep, that one's clean in there. These two are clean. That one just got oil. Good God. Let's see if I get this one out now. This one's like, motherfucker's so hot, man. God damn, man. Let me get some gloves. I'm gonna use a rag. God. Yo, why are you so tight? Somebody gonna say that's what she said. So corny ass is up. Oh my God. Oh, fuck. Tight ass bitch. Alright. That one's good too. They all good, but that one. Man, this old gold as fuck. Definitely gonna clean that out. Everything looks alright. I'm gonna have them go over my valves, make sure they're tightened correctly. think they are, but I just want to make sure my time is right. It should be, but I feel like I hear like a little tick in one of them. Nothing crazy though. So we got the valve cover gasket on there. I need some of that glue shit because I know as soon as I turn this motherfucker over, it's gonna fall out. It's in there just because it's flipped around, so it's sealed in there good like that. We replaced these new gaskets in here, so hopefully it should hold now. For some reason I feel like it's just running better. I mean, it's always ran good, but like, I don't know. Like, you know when you drive a car for a long time, like you know the ins and outs of it already, so like, I feel like it just runs a little bit better. I don't know. But she good though. New gasket all around. Appreciate it to Phil, bitch ass. You know, he made me do most of it, which is cool. You know, I'm learning still. You couldn't find it. Why is my camera so dark? I couldn't find a spark plug wire. I mean, tool. But we're gonna test her in a little bit to see if she's gonna cut up a little bit. Should be no more oil getting through. So yeah. Yeah, we're gonna put it on the road in a little bit and test it. I don't want to do it just yet. I'm trying to let the rest of the oil that was in there drain out or burn through. It wasn't really much. It was definitely a lot, but not like, you know, I've seen videos where that shit was crazy. Fat ass. It's like, nah, that's my nigga though. He's still a bitch, my bitch. But yeah. I burned my finger. But yeah, be on the road in a little bit. She do feel a little more smooth. I wouldn't say I feel a big difference just yet. I would tell once I get on it a little bit. I don't want to get on it too much, but once I get on it. But like I said, I mean, this car is bone fucking stop. So, you know, I don't expect the spark plug to make my shit pull fast and shit. Like, you know, fixing that. But I just know the difference between it, like, you know, misfiring between regular. Like, I know this car pulls a little bit for what it is, but there's definitely something was holding it back. And we're gonna see if it was just the oil in the spark plug. I got a little traffic, so I'm gonna pick you back up in a second. I got the AC going for a minute. Alright, we're gonna hit a little second gear pull, see what it does. It's still cutting up a little bit. But the check engine light didn't come on. I don't know if y'all heard it cutting up a little bit, but it definitely wasn't as bad as it was at first. So I feel like there's still a little oil in there that, like I said, needs to be cleaned out. But if that's not the issue, then it might just be the fuel and the air ratio, honestly. It definitely don't feel like it's misfiring anymore though. Like I said, it's cutting up a little bit when I get in high RPMs. But I feel like it's just because the aftermarket intake is just sucking so much air in, and it's not really matching the fuel fully. So I don't know. But yeah, man, I'll catch y'all when I get home, man. I got this AC on. I don't like driving with this camera in my hand. Somebody probably look at me like I'm stupid or some shit. That's why I need 10. But like I said, this drives good. Check engine light last time it came on when I was in high RPMs. I think I shifted around 65 in second gear, but it's not cutting up like it did yesterday. Yeah, yesterday it was like literally putt when I was down there the gears. Like that bitch ain't want to move no more. So like I said, I'm gonna let it burn out a little bit and see what happens. I do plan on getting an exhaust soon, so maybe that will help. Maybe with the back pressure, maybe. I don't know, like a bigger exhaust, like a 2.5. So I don't know. I'm not a D series guy. I'm not a B series either, but I know more about B. Like I said, I didn't have this problem with my B series. I'll be back home. So that's the end of the video, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed. I didn't really go over too much of me doing it because for one, it was hot. I was just trying to get this shit over with. I was out there probably for like 3 hours, more than I expected. It doesn't take that long to do that. It's just I couldn't find a certain tool. And I wanted to make sure I did everything correctly. So, you know, I make sure he confirmed over certain things, shit like that, woody woo. I mean, it was an easy fix, like I said. So yeah, like I said, it's not stuttering like it was for before, but still got a little stutter in it. But ain't nothing crazy. But once I get an exhaust, hopefully soon, it'll be fixed. I don't know if that's a problem or not. I don't know, because I got a cat in it. I don't know. If y'all think a catalytic converter can make it do that, let me know. I looked up certain things, said something like a faulty cat could be going bad or something like that, or it's not getting the right fuel or something. I don't know. Let me know. That's why I want to get an aftermarket exhaust, because I feel like that's affecting it. But anyways, hope y'all hit that like and sub button for me, please. We climbing up slowly, so I appreciate y'all. But as I'm speaking right now, as y'all can see, I'm loading my PC right now, because I'm about to edit this video for y'all. So, and stay tuned for the shorts and shit. We're hitting 10K this year. We're aiming at 10K this year. I'm calling it. It's August. We're hitting 10K this year. Trust.